Hi there. Have you ever wondered what it's like to restore an old car? Then you've come to the right place, because on this channel, I will show you exactly what it's like to restore an old car. Now I warn you, restoring an old car isn't as easy as what some folks make it out to be. Sometimes there's pain, both physically and mentally.
After suffering a small mental breakdown, man, I'm so glad I got a car that was in good shape.
Sometimes you have to deal with the consequences of a previous failed restoration.
Very bad modifications done by the previous owner, which included deleting the door locks, button, and even blocking off the cutoff for the door handle. Thanks, previous owner. Previous ding-dong, owner, welded the trunk lock closed.
A sunroof with about 2 caulking tubes worth of silicone sealant sealing it.
And sometimes, unfortunately, you are your own worst enemy.
Boom. Run City. Oh, there's a run. I forgot to install some rubber seals on the rear main bearing. There was supposed to be a hose I installed between the water pump and the intake.
But if you can get past the pain and the heartache, then there is nothing more rewarding than turning an old piece of junk into something beautiful again.
Temporarily installed them on the car to see how they looked, and they looked great. Finally, I was left with a complete hood that looked amazing. These doors are complete. I have to admit, this engine came out looking even better than I hoped.
Join me on my journey as I work to bring some of these pieces of automotive history back from the grave. Welcome to Angell's Garage.